to the channel. So today's video, something I wanted to do as a, I guess it's gonna be more for me as a memory of my first YouTube studio. Today's video is the tour of my studio here in my house, and the reason why I decided to film this video is because I have to tear all of this down because I am moving houses. I bought another home, and so I have to start packing. We have to move out of here in the next 4 weeks or so, and there's a lot of stuff that I have to put in storage. And if you have moved before, you know the whole jazz and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I want to show you a little bit behind the scenes. I actually just finished filming 2 videos, and I need to film some close-ups, b-rolls, and all that good stuff. So let me show you what it actually looks like when I record, so you guys know what's like behind the scenes. And hopefully in the next couple of weeks I'm going to have a brand new studio. Hoping it's going to be maybe a little bit bigger. Not much of a difference, but the layout is going to be different. I have different ideas for what I want as the background. But without any more talking, as you guys can see, I'm here in the entrance, so I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what I did with this bedroom. Alrighty, so a couple months ago, I believe I showed you guys that I removed the carpet, put floors, and then painted some accent walls in this room, because this used to be my office, but I actually moved my office to my bedroom and then made this room only for YouTube purposes. So when you're here in the entrance, I decided to put this beautiful gray, light gray floor. I don't know, I just love this color, but let me know down below. So here on the left side of the entrance, you have a mini fridge. And actually, let me give you an overview right here. Boom, 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 boom. Alrighty, so yeah, on the left side right here, I have a mini fridge. I have some plant decors. This right here is my charging station. As you guys can see, I have my camera, batteries, literally for all my cameras, security cameras and filming cameras, all that good jazz. I have that when I do, when I ship orders. Right here, I have the giveaway sneaker. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you go ahead and check it out. I think by the time this video goes live, I will have chosen the giveaway winner. This is my trash can. I know, those lays, such a waste. Shredder. Here, Alex drawer. This is pretty much empty except for this drawer that has the sticker. I have my shipping supplies in there. Everything else I think is empty. My printer, whatever. I have a TV right here, and then some photos over there that I will have to blur out. Now right here I have some posters. In case you guys are wondering, these are from Society 6. And then here we have on my right side, which is the entrance, I have this storage unit that I purchased at, I think it was Walmart. In here I basically keep all of my cords and whatnot. So right here I have some Sennheiser headphones when I do my podcast episodes with my friends. Right here I have a bunch of cables. Right here I have beanies, and right here I have my green screens, white and black screens if I need to film something like that. Right here I just have extra lights for these big boxes right here in case the light bulb burns out or something. I have a couple of cable management organizations and just, you know, a bunch of random stuff. So yeah, now on this side right here, I have a bookshelf that usually you guys don't see on my videos. These right here are all my Jordan 4s. I believe by the time this video goes out, I should have a Jordan 4 collection video, because my sneaker collection part 2, I wasn't able to show you these kicks right here. It was just gonna be too long. So yeah, right here I have a closet, which is where I keep some shipping supplies, some photography supplies, some microphone stands, tripods, all that good jazz. On this side right here I have all my boxes, some of them, some up there, and then I have some in my bedroom. This clothes right here is clothes that I'm planning to sell on my website, so make sure you go ahead and check it out. I have some Drew hoodies, Balenciaga hoodies, Dior shirts, Balenciaga shirts. I have a Prada crew neck, you know, just some good stuff. Now over here I have 2 bookshelves on each side of my bookshelves. That did not make any sense. You guys know what I'm trying to say. So I have these shelves right here that are for my decorations. On this side right here, I try to keep all my Funko Pop related figures, and on this side right here was more for like office organization side. On these 2 shelves, I used to have some it was like storage for papers, but I actually took them away because I'm putting the Sakai's right up here because I just ran out of space, you know, for sneakers. So for now I'm gonna keep those there. I'm gonna fix it in a better way, but yes. So I do have one space right here, but I believe I have those shoes in my bedroom. So yeah, now this is what you guys usually see on my videos. This is the background for my, you know, channel. And then this is the desk where I sit. I have a Supreme mat right here. My little chair, very uncomfortable if I'm honest. And then this desk has a little drawer here. This right here, I purchased it at IKEA. I think this is like a 24-inch desk. It's pretty small. So hopefully in a new house, I'm gonna have a bigger one. And I actually wanna buy a standing desk. This one, my mom is gonna keep. Right now I have to record some of the close-ups for the LB backpack review that should be on my channel. Go ahead and check it out. And then here's all my equipment. It's gonna get a little bit dark, my apologies. Alrighty, so if I turn those off, you can clearly see here. So I have 2 light boxes on each side of the camera, and then I also have this tiny one right here that kind of helps bring extra light to whatever I'm showing you guys, because I did notice in the last couple of videos that the items would come out pretty dark. So I decided to bust this one out. I had it in one of these bins right here. I'm always buying equipment for my YouTube channel. So this right here is my main camera. This is the Canon Rebel T6s. I have had this camera for years. I think it's been at least 4 to 5 years that I've had this camera. It came with this kit lens right here, which is the 18 to 135. It is a great lens. I just wish the f-stop would be lower. I believe this one is a 3.5. If it was at least a 2.5 f-stop, I would be so happy, but unfortunately it's not. But this is the one I am using for now. I do have a couple more lenses over there that I'm gonna show you in a little bit. And then I have this rig, I guess I'm gonna call it, but it actually is a microphone stand. I just managed to put it this way like that. So here is where I put the camera I'm using right now to record, which is a Canon G7X Mark II, so that I can do my overhead shots to the products that I'm reviewing right here. And then this thing right here basically just it's like a counterweight, which actually is something to put air in your tires. It's pretty heavy, so once I put the camera, which is also heavy on this side, it balances perfectly. So yeah, just a little trick. Use whatever you got at home. My tripod right there, and that's pretty much it for that side. I have another tripod right here, which is the exact same one that holds this camera here. I have my camera bag right here with a bunch of stuff. This is pretty much all my podcast equipment. I was gonna go to a friend's house today to film an episode, but I think that got canceled. I'm unsure, but it's ready to go. Now getting on to the last part. This thing right here has made it to my Instagram stories a couple of times, and you guys have asked me what it is. So basically, I believe this is called a dehumidifier. So like the word says, this machine right here takes the humidity in the room away to make sure that my sneakers are always dry and beautiful. if you guys didn't know, if you keep your sneakers in a room that is very humid, the shoes are gonna get mold and they crumble easier, and just bad things happen to your shoes when you don't take care of them. So that's why I decided to purchase this machine right here. I usually turn it on every single night and leave it on for 12 hours. And as you guys can see here, we have a little bit of water from last night. So yeah, that's that. And then one of my favorite purchases I've ever made was this little 3-tier cart from Amazon. Right here is where I keep my most used items when it comes to filming. So here at the top I have my 3 lenses for my main camera that I showed you before. We got a 35, a 10-18, and a 50 nifty. We have some batteries for the big camera, batteries for the small one. We have batteries for my GoPro, which I have not used in a long time. Just a bunch of miscellaneous things that I use time to time. On the second tier, I got tripods. Usually here's where I keep 2 of my tripods. The other one is the one I'm using right now. I have screen protectors for my G7X, protectors for my GoPro, just a bunch of stuff, B-roll equipment, a hammer, I don't know what that's doing there, and just a couple other stuff. So yeah. Oh, this thing I'm also proud of. I purchased these boxes at the Container Store to kind of try to keep my stuff organized. And as you guys can see, I have hard drives, miscellaneous things, chargers, and small items, so I know exactly where I keep everything. More office stuff, the Sakai's, my headphones that I use to edit my videos in the nighttime. Yeah, these are a savior if I ever want to work in the night. That way, you know, I can be as loud as I can, and yeah, nobody's gonna hear. So yeah, some boxes at the very top of my bookshelves that I don't think show in camera. Some more stuff on this side, and oh, that skateboard that I plan to hang on the new house. You may see that skateboard being part of the new setup in the other home. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am going to miss, you know, all the memories that I made in this little space. I believe this is a 10 by 10 bedroom, if I'm not mistaken. It's a decent size, and very blessed that I had the opportunity to turn my spare bedroom into my studio. Something that I never thought would be possible, but you know, I'm very blessed, you know, to be in the position that I am, to be able to afford this luxury, because this is a luxury to have a spare bedroom dedicated for one thing that is not even generating a lot of revenue at this point. So you know, but it's all good. I love YouTube, I love making videos, and I love sneakers. Couldn't be any more clearer. So yeah, I hope you guys can stick around, you know, for this journey, and hopefully we are on a road to 4,000 subscribers, and you know, soon we're gonna be doing another giveaway. So thank you for all the support. I appreciate you if you made it all the way to the end. This is already a 15-minute video, so you have to chop it down, and hopefully you guys loved whatever I edited. So catch you in the next one. Peace.